I don't like that color.
More. Come on.
Over
Try
here.
that. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, try it. Maybe it's hotter for me than it's for you.
Not spicy at all.
Oh, yeah.
What is it? Is it got onion? Is that onions in it and stuff?
So I've just been making like meal
good.
prepping. This is like sweet potato and sauteed onion and turkey.
Yeah, you need to try that, Paul. It's gonna be great.
All right, come here, Paul.
You know, also it's good to refried beans and like turkey stuff. Just give it a shot. Paul, you said you didn't want to try vegetables, and now you're like a diabetic over here. It's not, Paul. It's not cancer or AIDS.
I'm not gonna feed it to you.
Paul, what is wrong with him?
Dude, this is
Well, now you're making it weird.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
You guys.
I want to see you eat a vegetable. You remember that time for somebody got a salad and he was like shoveling it in like it was poison?
No.
Yeah.
John.
Feed him.
No. I'm gonna fucking...
Yeah, feed it.
Yeah, you eat those vegetables, Paul. Nice bike. Whose is this?
Joe's.
Joe Mama.
Joe Mama.
I don't even know. We got pre-bugs everywhere in here. We only have two. Tons of work. So I think originally we're going to go over the cubbies today, show you guys how to put them on, what you can do with them. It was like, you know, and this is good, something good to go over too. The way this works is I sent the panel to somebody to have it scanned, have it designed. That right there is about $1,500. And then he 3D prints kind of what he thinks it, you know.
The 3D printed one.
We do. I don't know where it is.
It's on the other side.
Other
That
side.
doesn't make
Okay.
sense.
So you 3D print one, right? You pay for that. And then what you do is once you say it's a go, you got to pay to have a mold made. So all in all, I think it's about $5,000 to make for the process to order these. So I think we lose money on every single one. For the first 100, we'll lose money on all of them. So if they sell fast and they sell good, we will continue to make them. If they do not sell fast and they don't sell great, then we won't, because like I said, that's what these things take. It takes a lot of time and a lot of money. It's not the cost of, you're like, oh, it's a piece of plastic, right? But it's the mold that you make. And the other thing is, you think about like a plastic piece like this on like a side-by-side or sport bike or like a car, they may sell, but they'll sell 1,000 a year, right? Scooters, we may sell 100 a year. So the cost goes down with the mold and everything because you're selling so many of them, right? You break it up over quantity, but these aren't selling 1,000 a year. So when you're selling not yet, but when you're selling small quantity, your margins are a lot smaller from the get-go. Yeah. So, but anyways, they're super strong. They're not printed. They're an injection molded.
Yes.
Yeah. So why don't we show them? Why don't you put, what do you got there?
This is actually probably one of my favorite new tools. It's a stud installer.
Oh, that's cool. Does it have a little
Stud
ball bearing
and
in there?
remover. It's like a starter sprag. It grips the threads or the stud. Dude, you put it on the Milwaukee Impact studs.
That's cool.
I did all my exhaust studs. Like,
So it grips onto the smooth part?
Grips onto any part of a stud.
That's cool. I like that.
And it goes either way too. So you can remove studs.
Just
too.
like John.
So you can stick it on a drill and
Okay.
just stick it on an old stud.
Okay.
Put it in reverse and just.
Put it reverse, Terry. Okay, so show us how that fits in there.
Pretty good with room to spare.
So as far as installation, it's what, three screws
Depending
and
on what
3M
year
tape.
Model, and if you have an OEM or aftermarket inner, you may need longer screws for the bottom, but the top one, I needed longer ones.
The top
But
one fits.
I think I had.
Is
random
that 3M
screws.
taped on that side too?
No.
Okay. So, and to show you guys, a lot of people are going to be like, oh, well, it hit my knees. It doesn't hit your knees. That's concerned if you go too big with something like this, you would hit your knees, but this is nice and compact. And so this kind of shows you how far it sticks out the bike, but it's clean. It's gloss black. And then this side, you've got a screw down here, and then you have really sticky 3M tape on the inside. Let's see. So I have one on my bike too. Well, this isn't my bike, but I don't know whose bike this is, but so I have one over here. This is one of the prototypes that doesn't have it does have the logo on it.
Yeah, they all have the logo.
Yeah, but you can see how that blends in with the black knee. It blends in perfect. So let's try to show you guys some random things you could fit in there. Here.
New scooter in a can.
Yeah, see if that fits.
A
little tight.
A little tight.
You can that's a little tight. But this guy fit, your bang drink fits.
It does, yeah.
Does your drill fit?
Drill fits.
Drill fits in there.
Brake fluid.
Brake fluid. Although don't make sure that brake fluid doesn't leak. You got a box of bolts here.
Those bolts
fits. I like mine for is wadding up a windbreaker and then shoving it in there on rides.
Oh, like this windbreaker?
Yeah. So you can fit tools in there, screwdrivers, spark plugs.
These are nice.
All that good stuff. Oh, that's cool.
Dude, you have one.
I don't have this little baggie though.
Dude.
Oh, is a bag built into it? Oh, I didn't know that was a thing. Dude, learning something new every day. All right, so does that fit? Here, while he's folding it up.
Wait, look how easy it is.
You need
Check
to
your
like
flags.
pop
They're
up on like a
F1.
table with like a
With
mask
the cat
or whatever.
socks.
Wow. Okay.
You like those socks?
I do.
They're pretty nice.
Cats.
I approve of the cat socks.
And then look, this one. Look at those two little kitty cats.
Oh, dude.
Yin and yangs?
Dude, is he just like?
I don't know.
He's got a touch of the tism.
The tism.
He-
You guys
he
both have a
even
touch of the
admitted to it
tism.
yesterday.
Okay. Even could this fit in there? Yeah, that fits in there in case you need to go
You might
around
wanna
and
be careful
pop
with
somebody.
stuff Too heavy.
Actually, this would probably fit too. John's Amazon broom. Let's see.
Wait, it folds up.
Yeah, see, in case you got to go to your landscaping or janitorial job, right? You got to go to your grandma's, you got to sweep her floor or whatever. Is that a wire brush?
What? No, it's a floor scrubber.
Oh.
It's a floor scrubber and a squeegee.
Does it fit? Other way. There you go. Yeah, so technically that fits if you needed to go scrub a floor. Okay, we're getting off track here. Brandon's poor tool area here. Okay.
Could you fit an exhaust in it?
Maybe for like a GoPed.
This one?
No, I think that's a bad idea. I mean, it's your bike, but technically, no, I don't think so. Hey, okay. No?
It's not too
Okay. So while Paul's working on his windbreaker.
I would recommend probably no more than 5 pounds in it.
5 pounds, okay.
Especially on the side with the tape too.
Bottle of not GN4. Let's see
small
here. Motul. That's brake fluid. No, these are all pretty big.
Those are all pretty big. The 16 ounce 927 would fit.
This guy?
No, the 16 ounce.
Flare up.
Hey, listen. This is what happened. You! Dude!
It was worth it, wasn't it?
It was a perfect drop too. It was like, you'd be proud of me, Paul.
Well, it's half that size.
Where's that at?
We don't have it.
We don't have it. Okay.
The
You don't think that'll fit? That's a pretty big bottle.
little tube would fit. The assembly lube would fit for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty big. Looking at some other things. I mean, you have a basic idea, tools, water bottles, things like that. It's not giant. If we go too big, it's going to hit your knees.
I usually recommend, hey, do you know where my key went?
No. I didn't touch it. Where'd your windbreaker go?
Right here.
Does it fit?
Yeah, it fits actually really nice.
Yeah. That's
I
perfect.
like putting my tools and
There you go.
stuff under the seat. Dude,
So do you have the underseat storage thing on yours too? The cubby?
I'll show you my setup.
But do you have the cubby that we have under yours? You don't.
No, I'll show you my setup. Mine's actually pretty dialed.
Okay.
If I can find my key.
So while Paul's looking for just trying to get his life together in general, I'm gonna come over here and show you guys. So we posted these up at like 4 o'clock last night. Remember, we only have 100 of these. So this is how they come to. There have been some other, not our stuff, but some other companies ship plastics, and they're like literally in just boxes with no padding. So all of them are going to ship like this, and then there's probably going to be some padding in those as well too. So package nice. You've got your tape and everything. If you guys want to do this, I'm going to try my best to post this video up this week, and hopefully there's still some left. So you want to make sure to get on scooterswapshop.com and type in cubby. to see if we have them available because they are going to go fast. I think we already sold.
We sold like a third of the
Yeah.
entire order so far.
So they could literally be gone by the time you watch this video. If they are, comment if you want one, and you know, we'll kind of give you an update or hop on the app. Actually, the app is the best for that. So yeah, this is all that we have left. So I think they were split into 3 boxes, and that's one of the boxes. My guess is.
What, 12 hours? It's been 12 hours.
It's been 12 hours. Yeah, people aren't buying at 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Well, some of them are. All right, what you got going on here?
All right, so I took the battery tray out and I shoved the battery all the way
You
over
got it
here.
sideways? That
What?
doesn't ever work out. Mine always leak
it
sideways like
leaks
that.
all the time.
Okay.
But that's what the rag's for. But so I shoved the battery tray over and I made a little zip tie and a little bracket to hold it in place. And then I shoved the oil bottle. It's like wedged in there real nice.
Also, while Paul's... Is it leaking? Yeah.
Yeah, they always
Yeah.
leak. Dude, they're...
We should just make a
just
better
cleaned it.
bottle.
Yeah, we do.
We should make a better premix
That's
bottle. It's a
actually a good
little
idea.
smaller that seals because that thing sucks.
A little shorter. Like, this is 20 ounce. Like a 16 ounce would be nice.
Yeah.
And with a cap that's like double threaded.
True.
Or a little twist top that you just...
Yeah, so it's a 5-minute install. You got tons of room. I'm just going to rush this video quick because they're going to be gone
install
really
video,
fast.
The raw video, and I was looking for tools half the time, was 3.5 minutes.
Yeah, just finding the tools is half the time.
Yeah. It's literally, if you wanted to rush through it, it would be a 1 minute install. What?
Did I just, like, while I was over there, hear you say that even John could do it?
He said that.
Brandon, people are going to think I'm like, I built bikes.
I was just wait. I
you
wanted
build?
to get laughter.
Okay. I'm gonna
I haven't
You know,
seen-
Paul, he may have actually built more bikes than you.
No way.
Ooh!
Well, the problem is him and I started this while you were probably like breastfeeding maybe at the time.
Okay.
Did you breastfeed or did you get
I
formula?
don't know.
You don't
I don't
know?
remember.
Dude, I have photographic proof.
You have photographs.
And most of my bikes were done,
Photoshop's
like,
been around for a while too, buddy.
No. No. John and I have been built.
But I've never seen John build in the...
big thanks to Ash at Hot Rod Hell for those too. He helped me out with a lot of that stuff. Just
Yeah.
Where's your scooter build?
Huh? What? Oh, okay. All right, boss.
Paul's looking around for John.
John's
Okay.
scooter build.
All right. That's enough. I think that's
How
good.
How many of these bikes have I built?
You want your cubby? Get a cubby.
3,
If you don't,
4,
don't.
5,
Thanks for watching.
6.5.
We gotta stop because he's losing it. Okay.
Oh, here's John's build.
Where? All right, I gotta go. Okay, now you guys know. Okay, we'll see ya. Cut it.